Hey there, I'm Jacob Skinner from the Skinner Automotive channel, bringing you part 2 of this spare tire changing video. From the first video, we started where we had the jack up and the wheel would just barely come off the ground, not enough to get it off. So in this video, we got the old tire off and we got the new tire mounted on the rim, which is the same thing as a spare, just it's a normal rim. So right now we got the tire back on and we're tightening all the lug nuts down. Once we do that, we'll put the little black caps back on, we'll lower the car, put the jack up and the tools up, and we'll be good to go. In the meantime, you want to tighten the lug nuts in a pattern. You don't want to do right next to each other every time you tighten the lug. So first of all, I tighten this top one up first. I'm going to go to the one directly below it. I tighten that one down. Now I'm going to go to this one over here. I'm going to tighten it down. Now I'm going to do this one over here. And it was already tight. I must have missed that one. So we're going to tighten this one down. Now we're going to go to this last lug. You just want to go around, make sure you got them all tight. And there, we're done tightening the lug nuts. So now, all you're going to do is you're going to screw these little caps back on. They don't have to be super tight or nothing, but good enough where they're not going to fall off. So running them down by hand is perfectly fine. And if you don't want to, you don't even have to put these on. All it is give extra looks to the rim. Nothing special. One more to go and we'll be one step closer to letting the jack go. Last one. There we go. Now we can let the jack down. A lot of work. This is not as bad as putting it up. Once the jack is not touching the car anymore, feel free to go ahead and turn it sideways and pull it out. Now we're going to just do a little thing called clean up our tools. We're going to take it all apart. If I can get this one out. We'll try that one next. We're going to put them back in the bag in the back of the car where it's supposed to go. Taking them all apart. Since I didn't need a spare tire, there was a tire shop right up the road. They mounted a bounce me a new tire on my stock factory rim. So we're all good to go. We don't have to look at this old dirty spare that looks absolutely terrible. We'll put that old thing back on the car. Scoot this piece of wood I found on the side of the road out of the way. Put the jack back up in the back of the car. Shut that. Well, I'm going to leave that open because I'm going to put the spare tire up first before I hit the road again. Just want to say thank you for watching my video today. This is Jacob Skinner from the Skinner Auto channel. Thank you and have a great day.